Mas abot kayang healthcare services ang naghihintay sa mahigit na 4,000 guro at 124 personnel ng DepEd Angeles City matapos lumagda sa isang Memorandum of Agreement o MOA ang The Medical City o TMC Clark at ang DepEd Schools Division Office of Angeles City. Isinagawa ang ceremonial signing sa TMC Clark Multipurpose Hall. Lumagda sa kasunduan sina Dr. Alejandro Garcia Jr., Interim Chief Medical Officer ng TMC Clark, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Rosalyn Muli, Senior Finance Manager John Ver Visaya, Senior Education Program Specialist Ana Marie Carmen Romero at Sherry Ann Zablan, Head ng Strategic Accounts and Business Development ng TMC Clark. Ayon kay Dr. Garcia, layunin ng partnership na magkaroon ng pangmatagalang programa na magbibigay prioridad sa kalusugan ng mga guro.
Teachers and the entire community work together to strengthen our ability to provide quality healthcare, health education, and timely medical support to those who need it most. We are grateful to DepEd Angeles City for your trust and collaboration. We look forward to a partnership that creates a lasting impact for many years to come.
Sinabi naman ni Superintendent Muli na sa ilalim ng kasunduan, makakatanggap ang mga guro at DepEd personnel ng 15% discount sa check-ups at iba pang medical services habang 10% discount naman ang ibibigay sa kanilang mga dependent.
Meron po kaming ma-avail na 15% discount once na you avail a check-up. Ako, na karaniwan, no, hirap kami na ma-satisfy yun. Maski pa sabihin na natin dun sa mga laboratories na available. But this time around, we can be so sure na what would be the result of the diagnosis came from a very dependable na hospital just like the Medical City Clark.
Binigyang diin niya na ang mas maayos na kalusugan ng mga guro ay makakatulong upang mas epektibo nilang magampanan ang kanilang tungkulin sa mga mag-aaral. Ayon kay TMC Clark Marketing Head Ann Malolos de Aquino, patuloy na pinalalawak ng ospital ang pakikipagpartner sa iba't ibang sektor sa Pampanga at iba pang lugar sa Luzon bilang bahagi ng layunin nitong magbigay ng dekalidad na healthcare services.
So as Medical City, right, we really believe in investing on the future, and one of that is really investing on our teachers and of course, you know, the people behind DepEd, specifically in Angeles, who is really like a very key, you know, partner for Medical City.
This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.